Greetings, Earth Invaders and Network Raiders. Alex here with the SSG, and today I'm going to do a brief overview of how to do some nifty things in Caido. Namely, we're going to do a password attack on everybody's favorite damn vulnerable web app. Also, that which you just saw, WAP, is my own personal little project-y do. Alright, so now I have a Docker container running, damn vulnerable web app running. I can get rid of that for now. Let's start us up a new project, DVWA. Cool, got that. lvh.me for localhost. Side note with Caido, you have to use lvh.me, you can't just go localhost. And I suppose I should probably actually say what Caido is first. Yeah, we'll not edit that in post. So Caido is a web application testing platform. It's new, it's up and coming, it's currently in closed beta. We were fortunate enough to get into the closed beta for it, so now we're giving it a looky-loo, testing it out, seeing what it can do. It's in a similar vein to programs like OWASP Zap and other things such as everybody's favorite Burp Suite. As I mentioned, it is in beta, so it's actually actively being developed pretty much while I'm using it. I had a chance to sit down and talk to Korbanik, the lead developer of the program, about a week ago, I guess it is now. And he ran me through some of the things that you can do with it, so let's kind of get into it. Like I said, we're going to go for a password attack on this, with a password that I obviously already know. Let's just get DVWA set up real quick. Last time, yeah, there it goes. Alright, nice. Admin. I'm not going to say my password, even though it's not my password, it's the default that comes with the system. So, let's jump right in. As you notice, as with everything that involves proxying and web app, anything really, it will monitor everything that you go to. So, we went to vulnerabilities brute. There's nothing here that's populated right now, but as you can see, it comes up with the actual, get header, and also the full HTML file for the page that you're on. Oh wait, hold on. Admin, security level, oh, that's the thing that I messed with earlier. Okay, cool. So, let's just do a quick admin let me in, which is literally not the password, but now, when we come down here, we have password let me in. So we're going to grab this right quick, head over to automate. As you can see, it gets a nice little notification that, hey, you're trying to do a thing. Working in a similar vein to OWASP Zap, you mark what you want to mess with. So in our case, we're going to mess with the password. We're going to come over here to payload number, which now highlights with that. And I have a nice fancy 100 password file thanks to seclists. We have this marked, we have our payload, let's hit start. So one thing that you're going to want to pay attention to whenever it comes to doing password attacks is you're not going to see anything readily apparent, but what you will notice is that one of these things is not like the others. That's the one that you're looking for. Thankfully, Caido enables the ability to filter these. So pressing length twice, going downward from the highest value, will give you the password at the top of the list. So when we come over here and we hit admin password, boom, lets us right in. Even though the only thing it really did was pop up an image because, again, this is DVWA. Just as a little added bonus, let's check out tamper real quick, one of my favorite things to mess with. So you see username and security level down here, it says admin and low. let's change those. Tamper. Default. Create rule. We're going to move this from request header to request body. Change admin to, is that you, John Wayne? If I could spell. Exclamation point, and that. Hit save. And let's follow this up with searching for low, because that was what the security, I forget exactly what it said, security level, yeah. Is this me? Not men, is this me? Hit save. Now we come over here and we hit refresh, and as you notice, these two things have changed. So, that's only a few of the things that Caido can do. Namely, it will allow you to do all the typical things. I don't want to say all the typical things because, like I said, it's in beta right now, and I'm literally watching this project change as it gets updated, as it gets worked on, and I absolutely love what I'm seeing so far. Whenever I talk to Caido, whenever I talk to Kaido's lead developer Korbanik, a few, I keep saying a few weeks ago, but it was realistically like last week. He asked me, how do you want me to present this? And I said to him, present it to me as if though I know nothing about web app hacking. And largely speaking, I don't. But the program is intuitive enough that once I had the gist of what I was doing, it was easy enough to zip around. One of the things that I absolutely love and find fantastic about this, now you'll notice I have my CLI over here to the side. Don't worry about that. This is Garuda Linux, so tiling window manager, I just figured keep it all on screen. One of the things I absolutely love about this program is that it allows you to do your entire testing workflow on one screen that is your web browser. That is fantastic. To me, that is a game changer because it means I don't have to be alt-tabbing between different programs, different windows. It's just, boom, right there. You go to the site that you want to test, you go to Caido, you obviously make sure that your proxy's set up properly, which I do. And boom, right there, done. Or not boom, right there, done. Obviously, you do your hackery, and then it's boom, right there, done. So I keep saying I'm mega excited about this project. I really am, and I cannot wait to see where this goes. So next time I do another video on this, it's going to be more in depth. Probably mess around with replay a little bit. Yeah, with that, stay frosty and happy hacking. Thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye!